Hello friends, welcome in today's lecture. In the last lecture, we start point swing components. In that we saw the what is the component, what is the container. Also we saw the swing class component hierarchy. In that we saw first JFrame component, then constructors of the frame class, also methods of the frame class, then how to create a frame using the two way. First is by extending the frame class and second way is by creating an instance of a frame class. Then we saw the JApplet component and one example of the JApplet component. Now in this lecture we study about what is the icon and label component and what is the text field. First see what is the icon. The icon are encapsulated by the image class. The image icon implements the icon interface provided by the swing. There are many swing classes that supports providing the image by applying the image icon object as an argument. Means the image icon is simply used to paint an icon from an image. Next see the constructors of the image icon. There are two constructors of the image icon. First is image icon, parameter is string name, and second constructor is image icon, parameter is URL. The first constructor obtains the image from the specified file name, that is string name, and the second constructor download the image from the specified URL. Means in the first constructor we have to specify the name of the file, that is a string name. Name is nothing but the file name. And in the second constructor it downloads the image from the specified URL. That URL mentioned into the as a parameter. These two are the constructors of the image icon. Now see the methods of the image icon. There are three methods of the image icon. First method is int getIconHeight. Second method is int getIconWidth. And third method is void paintIcon. The parameter is component object comp, graphics G, int x and int y. So the method paintIcon have four parameters: component comp, graphics G, int x and int y. The first method returns the height of the icon in the pixel. So getIconHeight method, it returns the height of the icon in the pixel. Second method is getIconWidth. This method returns the width of the icon in the pixel. Means second method is simply returns the width of the icon in the pixel. And the third method paintIcon paints the icon at the position x, y on the graphics context G. Means the paintIcon method paint the icon specified position in x and y on the graphics context G, and the additional information can be provided in the component object comp. These three are the methods of the icon. First method is getIconHeight, it returns the height of the icon. Second method is getIconWidth, it returns the width of the icon. And third method is paintIcon. This method is used to paint the icon at the specified position x and y. Now next see what is the JLabel component. The instance of the JLabel class creates the labels used to provide an instruction and information, and user cannot change this text. Labels in the swing classes are instance of the class JLabel class and which extends the J component. and these labels can display text and icon. Means JLabel displays the text as well as icon. So label in the Swing class is an instance of the JLabel class, and JLabel class extends J component. Now see the constructors of the JLabel. First constructor is JLabel. The parameter is image icon obj. Second constructor is JLabel. Parameter is string text. And third constructor is JLabel. Parameter having three parameter. First is string text. Second parameter is image icon obj, and third parameter is int alignment. See first one constructor JLabel. Parameter is image icon obj. This first constructor assigns the specified icon, means specified image is assigned to the label. Second constructor is JLabel having parameter string text. This constructor assigns a specified text for the label. And the third constructor is string text, image icon obj, and int alignment. These three are the parameters of the third constructor. This third constructor first assign the text, image, and alignment. Means the third constructor having three parameter: string text, image icon obj, and int alignment. So the third constructor assigns text, image, and alignment to the label. This alignment is provided by the left, right, center, leading, and trailing. Means the value of the int alignment argument is the left, right, center, leading, and trailing. So these three are the constructors of the JLabel. Now see methods of the JLabel component. The JLabel component having four methods. First method is void set icon. Parameter is image icon obj. Second method is image icon. Parameter is get icon. Third method is void set text. Parameter is string text. And fourth method is string get text. See first method. The first method set icon is used to set the icon at the specified image icon object. The second method is image icon get icon. This method returns the specified image. The third method is void set text. Parameter is string text. This method is used to set the text. And fourth method is get text. This method is used to retrieve the current label text. These four methods of the JLabel. Now see one example of the icon and label. See here, this is a sample program of the image icon and JLabel. First, import the two packages. Import javax.swing and import java.awt.star. After that, here this is an applet code. In that we define the width and height of the applet window. After that, create a class JLabel demo extends JApplet. In start method, first create an object of the container. Container ct is equal to get content pan. The container is used for add the component into the container. Then next create an object of the image icon. Image icon I1 is equal to new image icon and pass the string that is file name 1.jpg. Here we use the file name. Otherwise you can also use the URL. The file name is 1.jpg. Then next, here int a is equal to i1.getIconHeight. Here we use getIconHeight method. This method, it returns the height of the image in the pixel format, and that will be stored into the variable a. After that, display the variable a, system.out.println image height is equal to plus a. So image height is stored into the a, and that will be displayed image height is equal to a. After that, create a label, JLabel. The object is JL1 is equal to new JLabel having 3 parameter. JLabel having 3 parameter. First parameter is string text, second parameter is image icon object, and third parameter is int alignment. The alignment here JLabel.center. The alignment is provided like JLabel.left, JLabel.right, JLabel.center, JLabel.leading, and JLabel.trailing. Here we use the alignment JLabel.center. India is nothing but the string text, and I1 is nothing but the image icon object. See here, in I1 the 1.jpg image is stored into the I1 object, and that will be passed in JLabel constructor. After creating the JLabel, add the JLabel object onto the container using add method. ct.add JL1. This is an object of the JLabel. This is the sample program of the JLabel and icon, image icon. Here image icon object is created, and the image is stored into the I1 object. And JLabel having 3 parameter. India, it is nothing but the string, image icon obj object is I1, and JLabel.center, it is nothing but the alignment of the label. After that, save the code JLabel demo.java. Then open the command prompt. First compile the code. Javac program name JLabel demo.java. It is successfully compiled. Then run the code. It is an applet code, so here we use applet viewer. Applet viewer, program name JLabel demo.java. See here, this is an output of our program. Here SIT, it is an image icon, and label is an India, that will be displayed into the alignment center, because in JLabel having 3 parameter. India, it is a string. I1, it is an object of the image icon, and label.center, it is nothing but the alignment of the label. So the India is displayed into the center, and image icon also displayed into the center. It is an image, and India is an label. This is a sample example or sample program of the JLabel and image icon. See here we use the method getIconHeight. This method is used to return the height of the image icon. So see here, the height of the image icon is 262. That will be stored into the A, and that will be displayed image height is equal to A. See here, in the command prompt, the image height is equal to 262 is displayed. This is a sample program of the JLabel and image icon. Now next see the text field. The JText field allows to the edit one line of text used as a input component for the application. The JText field is the most simplest and widely used swing component, and this JText field is derived from the JText component class. In Swing, the text field is encapsulated by the JText component class, which extends the J component. Means simply text field is encapsulated by the JText component class and JText component class which extends the J component class. It provides the functionality that is common to the Swing text component. One of its subclass is JText field, which allows to edit one line of a text. Means simply JText field is used to return the or retrieve the one line text. Means only the JText field edit one line text, and JText field is derived from the JText component class. Next see the constructors of the JText field. There are 4 constructors of the JText field. First constructor is JText field having no parameter. Second constructor is JText field having one parameter string text. Third constructor is JText field having one parameter int maxchar, and fourth constructor JText field having two parameter string text and int maxchar. See first constructor JText field. The first constructor is used in the program, then the text field is initially appear empty. Means first constructor is appear initially empty. This text field having no string at the time of initial. Then second constructor is JText field having parameter string text. Here the text is the string that is to be initialized. Means this text string text is initially passed and that will be displayed at the time of the program when you run the program. Third method is JText field int maxchar. The parameter maxchar is nothing but the maximum capacity of the characters. And fourth constructor is JText field string text and int maxchar. The fourth constructor having two parameters. First is string text and second parameter is int maxchar. String text is nothing but the string that will be initialized at the time of writing a program, and second parameter is int maxchar. It is nothing but the maximum capacity of the character. These four are the constructors of the JText field, and initially you pass JText field having no parameter, then this constructor is initially appears as a empty. Now see one program of the JText field. See here, this is a program of the JText field. First import the two packages, import javax.swing.star and import java.awt.star. After that, here this is an applet code. In that, define the height and width of the applet window. After that, create a class JText field demo extends JApplet. Then in start method, first create an object of the container. Container ct is equal to get content pan. Then here define a layout, that is a flow layout. So using the set layout, you can set the layout of the applet window. Ct, it is object of the container. Ct.set layout, new flow layout. So flow layout is set onto the applet window using the set layout method. After that, here create a jtext field. Jtext field object is jtf1 is equal to new jtext field having two parameters. First is string and second is maxchar. The string is you can type here and the maxchar is 15. That string is initially displayed at the time of the run the program or running window, and 15 is nothing but the maximum capacity of the character. After that, this text field is add onto the container using the add method. ct.add, the text field object is jtf1. So jtext field is add into the container using the method add. All the component in the swing is added into the container using the add method. After that, save the code jtextfield demo.java. Then run the code. First compile the code. Javac program name jtextfield.java. It is successfully compiled. Then run the code. Applet viewer program name jtextfield demo.java. Here this is an output of the jtextfield demo. It is the text field and you can type here, it is nothing but the string, and the text field having maximum character capacity is 15. This is a sample program of the jtextfield demo.